Welcome to General Knowledge, Quiz 3, by the 280 Times Trivia channel. Quando omni fluncus moritati, or translated to English, when all else fails, play dead, is the motto of which TV character? Is it Al Bundy, Kenny McCormick, Stefano Di Mera, or Red Green? When all else fails, play dead is the motto of Red Green. In which year did the United States end their 40-year participation drought, by earning a place in the men's FIFA World Cup tournament? Was it in 1982, 1990, 1998, or was it in 2002? The United States finally earned a berth in the FIFA World Cup after a 40-year absence in 1990. The Hot Boys and the Pineberry are both subtypes of what fruit? Is it the pineapple, the cherry, blueberry, or the strawberry? The Hot Boys and the Pineberry are both subtypes of the strawberry. Which planet has a moon named Ganymede? Is it Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, or Earth? It is Jupiter, which has a moon named Ganymede. Which city became home to the first pizzeria ever in the United States? Was it Chicago, Philadelphia, New Haven, or New York? New York was the home to the first ever pizzeria in the United States. In 1999, multiple federal facilities banned which children's toy from their premises? Was it Pokémons, Digimons, Furbies, or the Game Boy Advanced? The NSA, Naval Shipyard at Norfolk, and the Pentagon banned Furbies from their premises, on the basis they may reveal classified information. Which fast food chain invented and produced bubblegum-flavored broccoli, but never released it to the general public? Was it Kentucky Fried Chicken, Popeyes, McDonald's, or Jack in the Box? With the intention to create a way to get kids to eat healthier, McDonald's invented, produced and tested bubblegum-flavored broccoli, but it confused the little kids' brains too much, and the project was abandoned. In approximately which year did the global population of Earth reach 1 billion? Was it around 1600, 1700, 1800, or was it around 1900 AD? The global population of Earth reached 1 billion around the year 1800. Who was the most searched for person on Google in the United States in 2018? Was it Khloe Kardashian, Demi Lovato, Meghan Markle, or Logan Paul? Demi Lovato was the most searched for person on Google in the United States during 2018. Now it's time to flip the question. All the answer options from the previous question are still in effect. Who was the most searched for person on Google, worldwide, in 2018? Worldwide in 2018, it was Meghan Markle. Demi Lovato was number 2. What is dihydrogen monoxide? Is it whipped cream, a dangerous man-made chemical, water, or is it superglue? Dihydrogen monoxide sounds really scary, doesn't it? It's big and complex sounding. It's just water. Pranks involving the term dihydrogen monoxide date back as far as 1983 and have been used by a variety of people for various purposes ever since. I myself used the wording to remind parents on Twitter not to leave their kids unattended in the tub. In what year was Jupiter's moon, Ganymede, discovered? Was it in 1542, 1610, 1772, or 1849? Ganymede was discovered in 1610. In computer terminology, what does VPN stand for? Does it mean virtual private network, viral propagation node, very private netizen, or virtual playnet? In computer terminology, VPN stands for virtual private network. Which company used to be known as the Haloid Photographic Company? Was it the Eastman Kodak Company, Xerox Holdings Corporation, Canon, Inc., or was it the Polaroid Corporation? Xerox Holdings Corporation used to be known as the Haloid Photographic Company, but when the Xerox machine took off in popularity they renamed the company. 60,000 interviews, 8 marriages, 7 spouses. Is it Johnny Carson, Larry King, Regis Philbin, or Barbara Walters? The correct answer is Larry King. Not counting territories and protectorates, how many time zones are used throughout the United States of America? Is it 2, 4, 6, or 8? Six time zones are used throughout the United States of America, not counting territories and protectorates. When you factor them in, you reach 11. Prior to becoming a box office draw, which would-be actor worked at the Salem nuclear power plant? Was it Bruce Willis, Jason Statham, Mel Gibson, or Wesley Snipes? Yippee-ki-yay, Bruce Willis worked at the Salem nuclear power plant as, of all things, a security guard. Which year did the first pizzeria open in the United States? Was it in 1905, 1915, 1925, or 1935? The first pizzeria opened in the United States in 1905. What does ambidextrous mean? Does it mean you have good balance? Neither or both hands are dominant. You prefer to write in red ink? Or you don't move when sleeping? Ambidextrous means neither or both hands are dominant, depending how you see it. As of February 2021, which NHL hockey team holds the record for the longest losing streak in league history? Is it the Detroit Red Wings, the Quebec Nordiques, the Buffalo Sabres, or the Pittsburgh Penguins? As of the time of this video's creation, the Pittsburgh Penguins hold the record. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button if this is your first time joining us here at the 280 Times Trivia channel. We have a lot more trivia in our library and more coming soon. Until next time, I'm Joel Curtis.